We are at Crockfords. And this is a...
Crockfords 1-bedroom suite.
Great, and it's 1-bedroom suite with a powder room, which is right here. This is lovely. Great bar area. What artwork. Do all of these suites have the view?
Not all of them. There's city view and strip view.
Really, really nice. Remember, today is a super windy day, so it's not as clear as it would regularly be. Really lovely room. And that's me closing the drapes. And that's me opening the drapes. And possibly the shears now. And once again, these views are stunning. You are totally looking down the strip. And it's a lovely bedroom. Super cool bath. Great tub. I love this tub. And then, is this a dressing room over there?
That is the closet. Actually wraps around to the bathroom.
Oh, so that's just where I
Full
was.
closet, full mirror.
Perfect. Really super cool.
Yeah.
Really nice closet. And a great storage for bags. Really lovely. Looks really quite well designed. Look at that TV. And then we are back in the living room. Another large TV with soundbar. And then you have the beautiful wet bar and the entrance area. And that is a Crockfords 1-bedroom suite.